So now let's load some data, and to load some data we go to import and then RDF. And then this screen is exactly as it was in GraphDB 7, so nothing new here. I want to import a server file. So that's a file that I've put in this directory, and it's just a very small subset of Wikipedia that contains information about countries and continents. And to import, I click this button here, and then I can enter some optional information. What I want to provide is the context, because I will need so the context corresponds to the name graph that you want your data loaded into, and since I need some name graph, that's why I'm entering it here. So as you can see, it's importing now, showing you that it's importing, and then a new feature in GraphDB 8 is that all the imports are also shown in this status panel in the top right corner. So now I can go to other screens, and it will still show me that something is being imported. I can even go to the Sparkle editor and run some queries, and it's importing that. And if you click here, it will open the import. Oops, sorry, well, import is done now, but if I click there, it would have opened import RDF again in a new tab. So let's actually go back there and see what's there. As you can see, it shows me that this was imported successfully in about 30 seconds. And if we now go back to the home screen, first of all, we see that there are a lot more statements now in our repository. And second, if I again use this view resource field and start typing, for example, BULG, because I want to look at the Wikipedia resource for Bulgaria, and as you can see, it auto-completes, and I can select Bulgaria from this list. And when I do that, it will show me all the triples for Bulgaria.